How to chat with Facebook support team. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can chat with Facebook support team. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to go to the business.facebook.com and then log in into your account. So once you log in, now navigate to this menu bar. On your left hand side there, click on help. Again, go to help. After that, you will see this menu bar or this help section on your right hand side, as you can see here. So on the recommended article, just below that you may have an option as contact us. If you could find it there, all you have to do is click on it, and then that's gonna lead you directly contact with Facebook support. But in case if you cannot find that option right in the section, then what you have to do is open up a new tab in your browser. Then you have to type in messenger.com/t/meta support pros and /. So you can copy this link from here. Once you have done typing this link, press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna take you into the messenger. It may ask you to log in into your account, so make sure that you're logged in. After that, you will see Meta Business Support. Now from here you can directly chat with Meta Business Support. So that's the way to chat with Facebook support, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.